Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this silver smoky eye using the Morphe 35K palette. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first taking this shade here and using that as my transition shade in the crease. Then going in with a warmer brown shade just to deepen up the crease a little bit more. Then after that, going back in with that transition shade, and I'm just going back over top just to create a nice smooth blend. Next taking this shade here and applying that to the outer corner to give the eye some definition. And then again going back in with the transition shade just to build up the colour and also blend it out. Next taking the silver shimmer shade in the palette and applying that with a flat synthetic brush and taking that across the eyelid. Then applying the L'Oreal Super Liner and using that to create a wing. Next taking the black shade in the palette and applying that to the outer corner to blend the liner in and give it that nice smoky eye effect. Then blending that back in with the crease shade just so there's no harsh lines. After that, I applied some lashes, and these are the SOSU lashes in the style called Milan. To finish the bottom lash line, I'm taking this shade here first. And then applying the black shade and focusing that as close to the lash line as possible. To highlight the brow bone, I'm using this shimmer shade here, and I'm also taking that into the inner corner. For highlighting the cheekbones, I'm using one of my favourites. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezi highlighter. Then for lips, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Retractable Lip Liner in the shade called Nude. And then on top, using the Power Lips Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Persistence. Then to finish the whole look off, I'm applying the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Bath Gloss. So you guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.